This time around was bunch of women. Bunch of women surrounded in my room.
Hello. What's up?
Sorry I didn't call before coming. I was bored at home. Could I stay over for a few hours?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Sure.
Thank you.
Do you need anything at all?
Okay, can I get a shirt to change into? I wouldn't like to sleep in this.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Just give me 1 minute. Yes. You bet?
Yes, I use one S bet.
Really?
Yeah.
What promo code did you use?
softjo.
That's my promo code.
Really?
Yeah.
They even give me 300% bonus on my first deposit.
Nah, that's one of the days for you.
Ooh.
You know the best part? They have this new offer called the no risk offer, whereby if you place a bet and you lose, they give you $30 worth of refund.
Wow.
Amazing. Yeah. Oh yeah. Before I forget, here's the shirt.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, go and change now.
Alright. Yo, can you ensure the door is locked?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Sure. Ooh, Sister Doris, I feel so blessed.
Yes, I
Wow, thank you so much.
Hallelujah.
Good night, Sister Doris.
Good night, Brother Joe.